Okay, next part. I have to give some competition to the long gone Andy Warhol with his like sleep movies and Empire State Building movies. If I can get all these parts, I think I'm on part, this might be part 35 by now. It's going to be, if I can figure out how to join all the parts together, it's going to be at least a couple hours long. And get visitors to view it too. I'm hoping for an invite to a guest teacher at a local college, and I may bring the drawing with me to show the class. Sleep time budgies in about a half hour, okay? We got nice sunny weather in the early evening here. It's not too cold either. It's nice, very nice. Oops, low battery. Better give this a charge. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, you said it. They were listening to the national world news and they're pretty upset. President Trump is refusing to bring back a man who was wrongly sent to El Salvador into a prison there. The Supreme Court said he should be returned, and the president's refusing. The president of El Salvador, same. They both stain the memory of a murdered Catholic Archbishop, Oscar Romero, who was slain in 1980. He was an advocate for human rights for the disenfranchised. But Trump doesn't give a damn about human rights. How's that? Okay, there you have it for now.